In this video, I will show you how to use the Move skill in Wizard with your virtual robot. You should already have a Robot Studio station with a Wizard add-in. If you don't have it yet, check out the related video. First step is to open the Virtual FlexPennant and the Wizard app. Then click on the Move skill and insert the first block. We still need to define the location where the robot should move to. Therefore, we create a new location, location 1. Location 1 is the current position of the robot. Now we insert the move block a second time and create a new location. This time we move the robot to a new place. One option to do this in Robot Studio is to go to the Modeling tab and select Jog Joint. Now you can move each axis of the robot. Click on the axis, hold it and move the mouse. Store the position and click on Start to test your first program. If the motors are switched off, go to the 3-dot button on the top left and switch the motors on. Press Start again. Click on Robot Studio to bring the window with the robot to the front. Don't minimize the FlexPennant app to stay logged in. Go back to the FlexPennant to stop the program. Insert a third move instruction to extend your program. Bring the robot to the next position. Click on Align. Make sure you can see your robot. And press Align until your robot is aligned to the floor. If you are close to a position parallel to the floor, it will also align parallel to the floor. Go back to the FlexPennant, save the position and press Start to run your program.